Throughout my relationship with Netpicks, I've communicated with many traders and those who entertain visions of becoming a profitable trader. What's staggering is the number of people who are just not equipped for the road leading to trading success. So what do I mean by equipped for trading? Now, it's not that I think I'm an excellent judge of potential, because I'm not, but it's what people say or don't say that tips you off that trading is probably not for them. And one thing I ask people who want to have a conversation about trading is what their goal is for the conversation. Like, what do they expect to get from it? The common reply is just to talk or see how you're doing in trading. And then I ask, well, what are your trading goals? And I usually get an answer that is about as useful as the answer to the reasons for wanting to talk. If you were to have a conversation with a successful business owner, they can tell you what their goals are. Professional athlete, ask them what their goals are for their training, and the answer will be anything but vague. Throughout history, those that find true success have identified their goals and have set forth with a plan to attain it. The following 4 points are something I jotted down a few years ago after reading one of the many trading books that just litter the landscape here. Now, the author escapes me, but I did find usefulness in some of what was written. You have to establish goals for your trading. Without them, you're just drifting blindly through a business that has participants that are highly skilled and want your money. The goals cement you to a path and can, if followed, keep you on a track to success. They keep you focused. So what do you want from trading? Yes, money. But what will that money give you? How will it make you feel? Whatever market or markets you're going to trade, understand them. What makes up the market you're wanting to trade? What fundamentals drive the bias of market participants? Now, even if you use straight up technical analysis, knowing what drives the market can give you a better insight, so you're just not trading blind. You need a trading strategy and trading rules. Now, it goes without saying that these rules and trading systems, they must have an edge. Have your trading rules specify what makes a valid trade. Ensure that money management is thoroughly understood. Your rules are what is going to assist you in being able to take a piece of the trading pie. And finally, follow the rules that you've laid out. Now, the hardest part I personally find in trading is to follow the rules. I don't fall too far off track, but just today, I bought into an area where the probability of a price advance had not made itself clear. Now, it's not something that I usually do, and it cost me a full position loss. Price did not advance far enough for me to tighten my stops. The discipline to follow your rules consistently is hard to keep for a few reasons, such as emotions and bias. For me, today, it was an assumption that price was going to advance, even though I was missing signs that it was going to happen. Now, I've seen some underestimate the psychology aspect of trading. However, for the majority, that's really what does them in. Not just in trading, but emotions in everyday life can make a good day become a bad day pretty quickly. The snapping at the clerk who messed up your order, yelling out your window to someone who just cut you off in traffic, or just raging at the neighborhood kids who trample on your grass. Now, there's that moment between the impulse and the act where you can actually decide how to react. It's brief, but it is there, and you can't fight emotions as they are in us. They have been here since the dawn of man. You have to accept them, and once you accept them, you can find alternatives to how you handle them. In doing so, you serve your trading. For today, though, it wasn't emotions that made me take the bad trade, although I did break rule number 4. It was being overconfident, thinking that I knew what was just about to happen, and then throwing my trading rules away and improvising. Set your goals, know your market, know your system and rules, and follow your trading rules.